Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. Today we didn't have new changes on the larger time frame. However, the 5-day one-time framing higher that we've seen on the daily has been stopped, increasing the odds that the market is finding short-term balance as buyers lost their absolute dominance of this trend market. On the market profile, we see strong evidence of short-term money involvement, judging by the amount of mechanically traded reference and poor highs and lows everywhere. You can see how B was bought from the A low, then D coming, well, halfback was not there, but this was overnight halfback exactly at this area, and C came one tick within. Then later in the session, you have H matching the D low, and then the I, J, K all within one tick. That's evidence of short-term money driving the market. We have a very, very, very narrow range today compared to the recent volatility that we've seen. Today was only just after above 10 handles, which is very short, suggesting that the market is waiting for more information, and probably you will see this narrow range broken tomorrow or relatively soon. Having said that, we have a little bit of mixed signals to both directions, because on one hand we have overlapping to lower value, and the daily one-time framing stopped by taking today's low, Friday's low, sorry. But on the other hand, despite selling from the C period and attempting to go lower the whole session, we had an inability to close outside Friday's range, and we couldn't even test the overnight low. That's a very significant data point, because that opens the possibility of a potential failed break that we saw at the end. And since we have a very questionable high excess with only 2 ticks, we could be poised for a rotation back up. Not only that, but also on the overnight, we kind of attempted to continue the late Friday move by opening outside and was immediately rejected, and we established the overnight value within Friday's value. Today, we attempted the whole day, and just when we broke the Friday's low, the same thing happened. It was rejected again, and we settled above Friday settlement just by a little bit, but back inside and above Friday settlement. So all this tells me I will venture myself to tilt the immediate odds to the upside, because if this excess that we saw on Friday, which was very significant at the time and is still in place on a daily basis, but if that excess is real, this shouldn't happen. You should have continuation, and you fail already twice on the overnight and during regular trading hours to continue further. And both rejections have been quite swift, sharp. So I would have ventured myself to tilt the immediate odds to the upside. Having said that, the immediate focus for tomorrow's session is on value development relative to halfback. I will call halfback because that's the limitation of the afternoon highs. If we get acceptance above, that increases the odds that we will test Monday's high, which has a very questionable excess of only 2 ticks. On the other hand, if we get acceptance below halfback, that is continuation, basically no change from the afternoon, and that will bring into play Monday's low. As we always say, anything can happen because odds are just odds.